YouTube, what's up? Your boy CryptoJack. I am here finally with our ballet custom wallets. I know you guys have been waiting for this. It's been a couple weeks since we did our last video where we custom made, custom designed. I walked you through how to do it. Our own ballet business cards. Remember, here's Bobby Lee's own business card. I got this at the Litecoin conference. And now mine have come in. I can't wait to open it. Let's jump right into it. Okay, guys, you may have noticed the cameras look a little bit different, and that's because I took my good camera, moved it around beside me so that you can see this right here. And I'm using a different camera I've never used before to point right at me so that we could get a little bit better view on the unboxing and everything. So hope you guys enjoy. Let's jump into it. Okay, so here is everything that the ballet team sent me, and it is a lot. At the very bottom, we have this brick of something. We'll get into that. It's about the size of a phone book. All you Gen Z guys are like, what? On top of it, we have several items. We will open them here in just a minute along with the book. First things first, they sent a really nice thank you card and a little nice touch by Bobby Lee, writing a little note. There you go. With a little quick start guide link there. So that's pretty slick. And just as a reminder, Bobby Lee gave me this card when I met him at the recent Litecoin conference in Vegas where I was speaking a couple months ago. So this is his card. This is what he gives. If you bump into him at different events, you'll get this. Of course, it's very similar to what I'm expecting mine to look at when we'll open that here in just a minute. And if you haven't viewed it yet, remember we have another video we put out on how we made all these cards, everything that went into the cards that we're about to open up, hopefully, and how you design your own, make your own, and order them from the website. All right, let's get into it. And I figure we're going to get into all this stuff, but let's circle back to that. This will be like the icing on the cake, the cherry on top. We'll circle back to that. I want to see how my stuff turned out. Let's take a look. Okay. All right, so we have 6, 18, 19, 20 boxes in here. They look like decks of cards. Let's just pick one at random. Okay. I want to make sure you guys get a good look at how everything looks. Waiting for the autofocus. Hello? Autofocus. Okay. So we have the ballet branding on each of the sides. We have a QR code with some information. The rest just says ballet. The back is blank. Okay, and then there's a little view window with my card. Let's dive right into that guy. Okay, clearly there is, I don't know, 15 or so in here. Let's count them real quick. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 times 20 is 500. That's what we ordered. Everything's great. All right, let's look at this card. You know what? Let's pull it out of the old sleeve here. This is actually a really nice touch. Looks like all these cards, I'm assuming they're all going to be the same as that, but they all come in a sleeve, and that's very nice. Okay, so let's take a look at our card. All right, so we have CryptoJack in the top corner, stick to the plan, technical analyst, content creator, 0.0001, Bitcoin. All the links look accurate. Everything looks good. First impressions here, I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. I mean, this is really, really nice. Look at the logo. Sorry about the camera. There we go. And this is really crisp. There's no missing pixels or anything like that in the black. Everything looks really, really nice. I'm going to be very, very satisfied with this, I think. Let's look at the back. Try not to get you those glares so you can read what's on there. BIP38 crypto standard to reveal wallet. Passphrase, to reveal wallet's passphrase, please gently scratch the strip off below in reference to this. Peel that off. There you go. Very interesting stuff. Now, remember, you can scan this on your Ballet wallet app, and then it will tell you if it is still loaded, like what the loaded amount is on the card. And then under it, if you peeled this off, is the private key to actually access that. So there's a way to see the balance on the card and then a way to peel it off to get access to it. I'm really pleased with these. These look awesome. And this is plenty for me, over the coming, probably the next 2 years. I do have several events lined up, and I will absolutely be bringing these to those events, to the live events. And then I'll be sure to load them too. Because I think there's nothing better than a loaded business card than a business card with a little bit of value to it. It's the only business card people won't just immediately throw away, even if they don't know who you are. They mean, what if that little fraction of a Bitcoin's worth something one day? You know, they have that whole conversation. So very cool. We'll actually leave this out. I'll put this up. I'll put these back with the empty sleeves, so I know that's the one that came from. I'm not counting them later like, what? All right, we'll put that in here. And let's see, let's just do a quick quality control test. You know, it's always a good idea to open more than one box when you have several boxes. Let's make sure they all kind of look at least similar. Yeah, I'm not seeing any misspellings. All the links look accurate. The logo looks fine. It's not smudged beyond recognition. Looks like about half of them are turned the opposite direction, so I flipped over to look at those. Yeah, everything looks good. Okay, so I'm pleased. I'm going to assume, based off these first 50 that I checked, that the batch is good. We did about a 10% check. This is awesome. So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to leave this out, and let's push on. Okay, here we go with the other items. Now, reminder, this is Bobby Lee's card. I'm very grateful to have that. I'm going to hang on to that for a long, long time. We're going to leave that over there. Again, the thank you note, we already showed that. I'm going to set that over here too, just so you guys kind of remember what we're looking at. Now, these I have not opened before. Oh, they're all still wrapped. You can see all this. I am very excited to open these. So before, well, let me get the plastic off. So we're going to start with the one that has the Bitcoin B on it. I'm excited. I love stuff like this. I love little collectibles like this. In fact, it feels weird to actually open it up. I'm the guy that leaves it wrapped forever. Okay, this is the real series. Ballet Crypto, ready to use, cold storage, NFT wallet. Oh, easy gifting. Oh, I know several NFT profile picture guys will love this. How to get started, this whole thing, to reveal the public deposit address, just pull the tab above along the dotted lines, okay? So let's take a look at this kind of all the way around. I'm going to make sure you guys see this before I tear into it. That's pretty neat. Okay, so I open it right here. Oh, wow, this is cool. Thank you. They're very thankful, and I appreciate that. Thank you for choosing Ballet, the world's easiest cold storage wallet. Please enjoy Ballet. Take out the physical wallet. Well, I think I will. Thank you, sir. Pull card, and slide out. Oh, I see. Oh, it's metal. It's heavy. Oh. Chat. Metal on metal. Oh, man. You heard that, right? This is great. This is great. Look at this. I'm trying to help you with the glare. Apologies. Okay. Wow, this is very cool. I've never taken these out and really looked at them. Okay, so here's the back of it. Let's make sure you guys get a good look at that. Treat this physical wallet as cash. Do not lose it. Always keep in a safe place. You can verify here that a copyright patented made in the USA. USA. Love it. Oh, man, that's cool. All right, let's go back to here. Let's see what else there is. There is this right here. If you are in these various languages, here's where you go. Here's how you check it out. Okay. And, oh, and it comes with this case. Very cool. Now, this is neat, too. This is assuming you don't know, it was given to you as a gift or whatever. You don't know what you're actually looking at. Here's all the information on it. Here's the sticker. Here's the scratch-off phrase. On and on. Oh, and at the bottom here is an acrylic box to protect your wallet. Important warnings. Always good warnings. Again, this is really built for you to give to a friend, to an aunt, an uncle, a cousin, a nephew. It's just trying to teach you the core tenets of this stuff. Not your keys, not your wallet, that kind of deal. Don't share it with anybody. Very cool. Okay, so this opens up. I'm told somebody, oh, here we go. There's a little thumb indentation. All right, let's see if I can show that. This is going to be tricky. I'm going to try it. Okay, you see that little thumb indentation right there? Okay, I didn't see that at first glance. Don't be like me. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Very cool. Okay, so now I have it in the case. Oh, the camera doesn't know what to do. Okay, there we go. I have it in the case. It is safe and secure. There's some smudges and factory little debris and stuff on there, but we can go back and clean that later. Very cool. Very cool. Okay, let's put the trash aside. We have these items as well. Before we do these two, let's look at the book really fast. So this is The Promise of Bitcoin, The Future of Money and How It Can Work for You, written by Bobby Lee with a foreword, I guess, by Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss. So very interesting. I have not read this book. I've read many Bitcoin books. I have not read this one. We got CZ from Binance, Mike Novogratz. If you guys learn one name, learn this one. Wences Caesars. I'm sure I'm completely butchering the proper way to say this. This is OG of the OG Bitcoiners. This is one of the first guys to build a massive Bitcoin company, and it was a custody company called Zappo, and which later sold to somebody else. So anyway, very cool story. I love Caesar's background. Again, I'm probably butchering that, but very cool. That was a nice touch. They did not have to send me this. That was very nice of them. Checking to see if any Bitcoins fall out. You know, like when your grandma sends you a card in the mail and you gotta like pretend to read it. I pretended to read the book. No Bitcoins fell out. We checked though. We did our thing. We did our part. All right, so now we have the Ethereum one. Let's do it. Now this is likely to be the same as the Bitcoin wallet we just looked at, but we're still going to go through it. We got to make sure, right? It might be different. Might be different. There's the packaging, cold storage wallet, some branding. Ooh. And then here's the back. All the currencies they support. It's pretty cool. I didn't spend a lot of time on that before. And the NFTs it supports. That's pretty handy. I actually know a lot of NFT degens. They would love this kind of stuff. And I bet they didn't know that Ballet wallets, you know, worked well with it. All right. So maybe I won't struggle as much with this one like I did. Man, it's in there good. Ugh. Okay, here we go. Real Ethereum. Now, this is the real series, so I was just making a joke. But it says Real Ethereum. Verify wallet passphrase. Scratch off. There's the verification QR code. You guys are going to know. Y'all are going to set up like bots to see when I load this and then be like, Jack said he only buys Bitcoin and he put Ethereum here and try to get me canceled. I'm going to do that just to screw with you guys. 100%. Don't put it by me. Okay, we have the manufacturing information and then once again, the case. So let me go ahead and throw this in the case. We learned, right? Call as many names. At least we learned from our mistakes here. We're going to put that in there and go ahead and close that up. So we once again have our case covering our new real wallets. Compliments of Ballet. Hello? Camera? This camera hates me. So now we have our case covering our real Ethereum wallet. Very cool. Front, back. We are sitting pretty. Look at all this. Okay, we're going to put this stuff over there. All right, now, what is this? Why is this one bundled up in the way that it is? I don't know. Why did they send it to me like that? They could have sent it to me, you know, just like that other stuff. So I don't know what's in it. You guys can kind of like see if you can peek through it. I have no idea what this is. So let's open this up. Oh, it's shiny. Oh, chat, it's shiny. Holy crap. Why is this? I think I know. I think I might know what this. Oh my gosh. Hey, chat, I can't quite read that. What does that say? 24 karat gold plated stainless steel. Wow. We got a gold Bitcoin wallet. Holy crap. Okay, this is noticeably thicker than the prior 2 packages we opened, which were the silver. Oh my word. Okay, and there appears to be like a plastic there. I was just going to push my way through it, but I think it'd be smarter to cut into it. Okay, here we go. Oh. To show crypto deposit QR code, flip right to open. Oh, look, that's cool. So if you just wanted to find the deposit address before you did anything else, say you sent it to a friend or family or whatever, you could just do that, find the deposit address, deposit to it. I assume this is how it works, right? So that's very cool. Again, here's the back. This time the opening part is in the, oh my gosh, it's in the back instead of the front. Wow. Jeez, look how it comes. Holy crap. What? Chat, they're not playing around. Am I allowed to open this? I'm like Indiana Jones holding something sacred from a temple I went to or something. Look at this. What? So it comes in this acrylic, this case. That's it in here. That there's nothing else in here. I'm going to put that aside. So what is, oh, it's like moving in my hands. Oh, they're magnets. What a cool way to do that. So it was set into, yeah, okay, there's a little bit of a groove, just the size of this card, and it was sitting inside of that. Oh man, that's cool. You know what though? This is great and all, and I appreciate you guys sending me that. We're just going to do this guy. Yeah, we're just going to do that. I like that. That's cool. Yeah. That is very cool. Okay. The unboxing of Ballet custom business cards, plus some of the goodies that they sent over. I cannot express my gratitude enough. And if you see me at some of these upcoming conferences, hit me up. You know I'm gonna hit you with these. You know I'm gonna give them to you. I think these are so cool, and I can't wait to spread them around, share the love, show people who may not know what Ballet wallets are, and remind them to stick to the plan. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Probably not, because I had a blast, and especially seeing that gold one at the end. I'm very excited. But thank you for being here. Be sure to follow me on Twitch. Be sure to follow on YouTube at CryptoJack Live. And follow me on Twitter as well, at CryptoJack Live as well. Guys, thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Take care, YouTube. I'm not trying to be perma bulljack, perma bearjack, just charts jack. Just whatever the charts are telling you, that is all I'm good for. That's all I'm here for. And nothing else. I'm not your hype man. You know, I'm not your bear guy telling you to sell.